Hello and welcome back to episode 18 of the speedrun. So, after last time scaling up a bit to stockpile some landfill and postponing some immediate upgrades, I discovered that then led to yet another bottleneck. So essentially, we are crashing on charcoal, which will be even more apparent when we start uh, advancing uh, advancing for plastic and resin because they also need charcoal. So that's why we're just changing our priorities a little bit here. Again, just pushing back circuits just a bit longer. We're still going to work towards it, but we're definitely not going to be able to manage it this time around. Okay, and we need some more landfill to bring along. Just gonna get some emergency rations of charcoal here to keep everything running for a bit. And then now that we have charcoal pellets, we can push those in. Oh. We So originally I planned to do this early on, and then I figured, nah, we're good, don't need to. And now I'm finding out, oh, we're not good. Because the power balance is great, but the overall need for charcoal elsewhere in the factory far exceeds our needs now, especially since we also added. Oh, that wasn't. Added the geodes elsewhere, so that suddenly we're short on everything. Just gotta push everything a little bit back here. And I've also started to scale back ghost on water usage a bit, simply because it takes a while now, and it's probably my PC just being sluggish at this point. But it takes it a while to update. So, and when that's happening, it's just stuck. I can still manually place it, but the picker doesn't work. And that's kind of my primary, so to speak, tool for that. Did we remember to pick up the stuff we needed? We did not. Okay. Should have brought some extra brought some extra bricks here, but so we have to go back down and get that because the goal was to just sneak in an early upgrade, but okay, so we get that one. Where are we? There we are. Did we get everything? I think so. Oh, this isn't good. Shuffling around in the priorities here, or the order, so I'm missing something for sure. Well, I'll have to go back and fix it later. That should set everything up for that. Need to set up some filtration for it though. Okay, that should give us that. So we can just quickly sneak over for yeah, and that won't work actually, because while we do have the bricks, we did not bring the landfill for it. So that'll come in a bit. Let's just check here. Sulfuric wastewater is almost at its limit, so we can't postpone that. So it's another thing we need to scale a bit here. And I just need to. Okay, that should give us a robust solution. So now we can walk all the way back up here. We can just sort out some other stuff while we're on the way here. Here we are. Oh crap. Missed that one. Oh well. That means we can go over here and pick up some assorted charcoal, I think. Probably also a bunch of pellets. This will hopefully be the last one I have to build by hand, but yeah. Hope and reality may differ, or decide to not agree. But let's hope I can get bots before I need to scale again. And blue science in the pipeline. Nickel, so we can get indoor smelting, so we can get military science. There we go. Okay, a bit more power, a lot more charcoal. Oh. Now we're short on bricks. Just need to move these a bit. So we can siphon off all the saline water. And have to just apply the recipes, so everything should start working. Grab a bit of silver, grab a bit of aluminum. And everything is smelting, so that's good. And not a lot of inserters. Just gonna upgrade this, put in here, so it's basically just to make sure that we build up a buffer of soil, because we want that specifically so we can make bioscience on a bit of an ad hoc manner. Did I actually get those built? Yes, I did. Should hopefully help. We're building up a buffer of mineral sludge, so we're gonna use that to get some more copper. Okay. Now, so to speak, the real work begins. Now we go to what we were hoping to start a while back. We have one of those. I should probably have picked up more landfill while I was up there, but yeah, I should. There we go. Landfill, landfill. Okay, that should see us through for a bit. Did I queue up an air filter? I didn't. That's also important. To build that, I need 2 of those. Would be nice if I could make a cleaner blueprint for this, but this is what I came up with. So this is what we all get to look at. If I did everything correctly, I should get a notification about resin in a moment. There we go. Let's see if we can manage to get... we can finish paper. That would be neat. Phenolic board would be even neater, but that might be a bridge too far. Right. This is brewing, yeah. Also putting in a little buffer here, specifically so we can siphon off some paper. At the earliest convenience for bioscience. Oh, that was, there we go. Minutes to go, and we should actually get going with the casting machines here. It's so close you can almost taste it, but we're gonna run out of time before we get there. Sneaking in some plastic. Powering it up for the achievement. There we go. And that's about as far as we're gonna get today. Which isn't in any way bad. It's better than I had anticipated, so. But still, this is the break point, so I'm gonna stop here. Thank you for joining, and see you next time.